Hello guys, welcome back. Good evening. Welcome back with the additional of today's newspaper on Wednesday, July the 12th, 2023. And I've already solved three puzzles, the 3 stars, the 4 star Sudoku, the binary, and it's now time for the Tectonic. Yeah, Tectonic. In Dutch, they call it Saiva block. In Japanese, Suguru. And this one will be number 6745. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 15 printed digits. Could be the hard one, could be the easy one. The hard ones is always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits. This one is 15. I do not know, but it's indicated with 4 stars. And a 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. If it's really a 4 stars. Yeah, I do not know. We will see. So let's get started. First question to you is: can we see here the single box? The single box or boxes is always a 1. I see here only one single box. Single box is always a 1. Only one. Do we have here dual boxes? Next question. Dual box contains the 1 and the 2. We have here a dual box contains the 1 and the 2, and there also well, this box can be a 2, so the 2 should be here and the 1 goes there. Here also the 1 and the 2. This box can be a 1, so the 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. Alright, next question. Do we have here triple boxes? Contains the 1, the 2, and the 3. Well, we have here a triple box. The 2 and the 3 is already given, so this box should be a 1. More triple boxes? No. Quadra boxes then. Do we have quadra boxes? Contains the 1, the 2, 3, and a 4. Well. No quadra boxes. No quadra boxes. Then my next strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, let me see this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So this box has the same name as that box. So in this case, it's a 1. Alright. Here another 1, but rotated upside down. So this box has the same name as that box. Alright. Do we have more of these kind of shapes? Nope. Then the following shape, how about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Here another one. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 2 here. Alright. Do we have more? No. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 5. So this box has the same number as that box. Okay. So it's a 5 here. Alright. Only one shape. Then the following shape, how about this shape? The L shape. Rotated, the L shape. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 5 here. And we have only one L shape. Then the following shape, how about the T shape? Also rotated, the T shape. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So in this case, it's a 2 here. Right. So this box has the same number as that box. only one T shape. Then the following shape, the last shape, I believe, figure, structure, or construction, whatever you name it. This shape. If you rotate this, you will get the S. And if you flip that figure or shape, then you will get the Z construction. Alright, let me draw this here. When you see this shape, the S shape, S figure, remember, if you rotate this, you will get the S, okay? When you have this shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as that box. Alright. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 maximum. Yeah, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Maximum are 6. We got them all here. All 6 figures, structures, constructions, whatever you name it. And the question is why you need those shapes to recognize. Yes, there's all shapes here. Okay, why you need to recognize those shapes? Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get started filling those numbers. These 2 boxes can be 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left for the numbers 1 and the 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 3. That box can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. This box can be a 1, that box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and the 5 for the 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 5 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 5. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 5 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this L-shaped area should be there. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 3 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, these 2 boxes can be 2. These 2 boxes can be 4. So the 2 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 3. Let me mark those. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. This box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, we have a double 1 there. That means that this box cannot be a 1 anymore. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 should be here and the 3 goes there. Now we have a 1 there, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1. Alright. Then, let me think. Yeah. These 3 boxes can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be 2. That box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be here. These 3 boxes surround the 2 can be a 2. Those 2 boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area should be here. Well. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and the 4. Let me mark those 3 and 4, 3 and 4. Yeah. These two boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. That means those two boxes can be a 2. Because we have a double 1 there. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill anyone in one of those two boxes. These two boxes can also not be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. Well. These two boxes can be a 2. That box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be there. And I've eliminated the 1. So the 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. 4 and the 5. Yeah. We have a 1 here. Okay. Let me think. These two boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 1 there. That means that this box cannot be a 1 anymore. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill anyone in one of those two boxes. So the 1's supposed to be there. Alright, so 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. 4 and 5, and this box is connected with that box. Should be also 4 and the 5. Alright. And now, interesting. The hard part. This is the hard part. Well. Now I need to think. These two boxes can be a 2. That box can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be there. Yeah. I need to think. These two boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be there. And I've eliminated the 5. So the 5 goes there. 1 box left in this area for number 4. 2 to 4, we have a 4 now. So no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 2 goes there. These two boxes can be a... Oh, well, we have a 4 and a 5 here. We have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 5 goes there. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 5. These two boxes can be 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this T-shaped area. Should be there. 4 and a 5, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for numbers 1 and 3. I cannot fill this yet. But this box is connected with that box. Should be also 3 and a 1. But we already have a 1 here. So it can't be 1 anymore. This box should be a 3. Is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. 1 box left in this T-shaped area for number 1. And I think this box should be a 4 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely 4. 3 and a 4, we have a 4 now, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 3 goes there. Think. This box can be a 3, that box can be a 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers, no, not 2 numbers left. This box can be a 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. Well, it's not a solution to place the 3 there. If I place the 3 there, this box is connected with that box, should be also a 3, but we already have a 3 there. So not a solution to place the 3 there, the only place left for the 3 should be there. So 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 4. 1 and a 4, yeah. Well, this box is connected with that box, should be so 1 and a 4, but we already have a 4 here, so it can't be 4 anymore. This box should be a 1, is connected with that box, should be also 1. 1 digit left in this area for number 4, and this box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. Alright, I think this box should be a 5 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5, so 2 numbers left. The 3 and the 1. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this Z or S construction for numbers 4 and the 5. Well, need to wait. Need to mark them. These two boxes can be a 4. This box can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be a 1. That box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. This box can be a well, well, well. Where's the 3 then? 4 and a 5. Interesting. Well, this box can be 2, that box can be 2, so 2 could be here, or there. Need a 3 here. Well, these 2 boxes can be a 3, so 3 could be here, or there. Well, this box can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4, yeah. Only the 5 is left. 4 and a 5, we have a 5 now. No 5 there. 5 should be here, 4 goes there. I marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 4. We have a 4 now, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And I've eliminated the... No. Not eliminated the 3, because the 3 are there. Well, I think this box should be a 3, because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3, can be 4, can be a 5. Yes, definitely a 3 now. So 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 2. We have a 1 now, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 2 goes there, finish in 16 minutes. Well. 16 minutes. I'm pleased with the time. And all shapes, figures, structures, or constructions are used in this Tectonic. Yes, in this Tectonic. I'm pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it all solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, if you like, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe. And hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists. Playlists for the Tectonic, playlists for the binaries, playlists for the ladder Sudoku. I have also a playlist for the 0, the 1, the 2, the 3, and the 4-star Sudokus. The playlist for the heavy, the medium, the light, the killer, and the quintuplet, aka Samurai Sudoku. All kind of puzzles or Sudokus have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you will find them all those playlists that you want. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Wednesday. We will meet again tomorrow on a Thursday. Until then, bye bye for now.